Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound during calls on the VIVO V60E. Let's begin! First of all, we use the volume buttons to change our volume, and by default we are changing the volume of our media. However, it's very important to note that by default we cannot really change the call volume. Instead, we can change it if we are actually on a call with somebody. Only then we can customize the call volume through our volume buttons. This is somewhat disappointing, but yeah, if you feel like you have no sound during calls, just make sure that you just bump up this bar right here. And thanks to that, you should have your volume. However, there is one last thing, and if somebody is very cautious, you will probably see the Bluetooth icon. And yeah, I am currently connected to these earbuds here, and this doesn't really matter what earbuds are those or whatever. The most important thing is... oh, they just disappeared from my Bluetooth though. Never mind. The most important thing is the fact that these earbuds or any kinds of Bluetooth headphones are actually going to reroute our audio. So now, instead of talking through our phone, we are talking through our earbuds. And if you have no idea that you have earbuds connected to your device, you may have a feeling that your sound is just gone and your phone isn't like playing any kind of audio. Which is technically correct, because it's not the phone playing audio, it's our earbuds. So, just once you're calling somebody, make sure to disable Bluetooth if you really care about that. And now you are 100% sure that audio will be played directly from your device, not from any kinds of Bluetooth devices like headphones or earbuds or whatever. And with that, I believe that's all for this video, yeah. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!